So in this video, you'll learn how to fix the screen color on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to open the settings app, and then from here, you want to go to modes and routines, select sleep, and ensure that sleep mode has been turned off. This is because usually when you set up sleep mode, you sometimes enable grayscale. And with grayscale, it changes the color of your screen to a gray hue, meaning that the screen changes. So you want to ensure that you've turned off sleep mode so that you can get rid of that hue. If it's still not fixed to the screen color, don't worry, there's something else we can try. We can try checking the display settings, and you want to ensure that you've set it to light mode. So once you've set it to light mode, you should see a change in your screen. Again, if you still see no changes, don't worry, we still have something else to try. So go back to the main settings page, and then from here, you want to scroll and select the option Accessibility. Under Accessibility, tap on Vision Enhancements, and then from here, ensure that color inversion is turned off. If it's turned off, you should see the changes appearing on your screen. Again, if the changes still haven't fixed your screen color, then you want to come to color correction and ensure that it's turned off. And then you also want to ensure that color filter is disabled. Once you've done all of that, you should see the screen color being fixed completely. If you still see something orangey like this, then ensure that Eye Comfort Shield is turned off and your screen should go back to normal. So that's how you can fix the screen color on your A16. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.